Welcome to Sonatype Nexus Repository. This is a quick overview of the main features of Sonatype Nexus Repository. We'll be going through main functions used by administrators and the users of a repository and some of the advantages of a repository. So let's get started. So Nexus Repository is the center of the DevOps process, managing components sitting across a development lifecycle. And this is the administration UI. So it's easy to manage permissions, search, browse, and download for both administrators and day-to-day users. We have settings and the usage center. We can easily create new repositories. There's a new repository section with many flexible options to configure exactly what you need. So, for example, creating a proxy repository, we can support a wide range of languages supporting all DevOps teams. And creating a new repository is simple. Let's take an example of a new proxy repository for npm. So we create a repository and name it and configure our settings. And then there are easy documentation steps for configuring that repository on your own tooling or your developer's tooling to then use that repository and their own npm configuration. So it's as simple as copying this command line and altering it to your needs to use that new repository, then downloading via that repository, and then we can install as we normally would via that proxy repository, proxying from npm via the repository to cache components in our own install of Sonatype Nexus Repository. We can now browse the new repository to see those components, see the status of those components, and this is that component I downloaded. So that is the package we installed, now cached for future use and quicker downloads in the future, and ensuring that it remains available to us. As well as proxy repositories, we can also support other types of repository, and like hosted and group repositories, and across a wide range of languages and ecosystems. So the hosted repository stores your own artifacts, so you can create a repository of your own internally developed components across this wide range of languages. Group repositories allow you to consolidate the range of hosted and proxy repositories, exposing a single place for users to access, to both read and write from internally and externally developed components. So those are the basics of Sonatype Nexus Repository. You can find much more information on our website and documentation, or book a demo with us to see more detail or ask us questions on the website. Thank you very much.